16 December Black Day. The month of December remind us of the Army Public School misfortune that took place in Peshawar. This day holds a special place in the heart of every Pakistani. But for all the wrong reason on this black day, more than 144 people, including innocent children, were gunned down by the monsters disguised in human attire who did not to think for a second before killing a child. The images of those bloodish classrooms and uniforms of clearly depicted the helpless situation of the people who had faced that terror. The entire nation remembers the matters of APS and empathize with their families. They will always remain in our hearts. We have not rotted the blood of martyrs as we salute them for their courage and braveness, and pray to Almighty Allah that may the world never have no witness a day like this again. May God protect our children. Ameen. Thank you.